I have an idea. Because there's no classes today, I decided to make a chocolate goo slime. Because I was finding a recipe to make because it says 30 amazing recipes. And I was finding one and I saw this edible slime. So how about let's try to make it. I hope I have the ingredients. Let's see what's in the fridge because it's a bit easy. Just need I have chocolate. Oh, actually I can use this to make the slime crunchy. It's also edible. And you also need condensed milk. And we also need cornstarch. Here's the cornstarch. Here's the cornstarch. So, chocolate check, condensed milk check, Oreo check, and cornstarch check, and more cornstarch. Perfect. So we need to use a saucepan. Let's start. The first ingredient is condensed milk. So let's put it down. Now I'm pouring the chocolate sauce. Mix well. As you can see, we're using the smallest heater because we just need a little bit of heat because you don't want to burn slime. Now we're gonna put the corn flour. A little bit at a time. I'm sifting the corn flour. Now I'm gonna stir all the ingredients together. Just keep adding corn flour until you get the perfect consistency. I then stop stirring this until it thickens like this. Just keep on adding cornstarch so it will be just like the consistency that you like to have. It's a gloomy day today. Can you go away now? Little Sia wants to play. Moving on. Sometimes you need a little bit of drama in your life to make it more interesting. By the way, the slime is chilling out in the fridge, so let's check it out. Ta-da! Ta-da! This is our chocolate slime made of chocolate sauce and condensed milk. It's still a bit sticky, but don't forget to wash your hands if you're doing things like this. So let's put it here. Look at that! It's a perfect slime to prank your friends. Oh. Because when you eat it, they're gonna be like, oh, no, that's made of glue and activator. Oh no! And then you're just gonna keep on. So now let's put the cornstarch. Just put little by little till you get the perfect consistency. Just keep on eating it. It's a bit stretchy now. How about let's taste a bit? Divine. Keep on eating. Take caramel. I'm gonna call this slime Choco Vanilla Slimy. Please comment down below. Choco Vanilla Slimy.
A Choco Vanilla Slimy.
Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to be part of my notification squad. And please watch the Kids' Choice tonight and also every Saturday and Sunday. Bye, guys. The Kids Show is Saturday and Sunday, 7:30 p.m. Yum, yum. Bye, guys.